What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In this video, we're going to be discussing major crypto news over the past 24 hours, along with a crypto market update, Ethereum passing $1,600 for the first time, as well as Polkadot is testing $20, Cardano, ADA, 44 cents. A lot of other altcoins are looking very bullish as well, so we will get into the markets and discuss bullish altcoins. Before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I release new crypto videos. I'm always doing very important information that's new in the crypto space, so definitely hit the bell if you want to be notified, since a lot of this content is very time sensitive. So a quick update before we jump into the crypto markets. Twitter still hasn't replied to my support emails. Been over 24 hours now. It's just ridiculous. They restricted my account for no reason, telling me I have to verify the phone number attached. I've had this account for over two years and they've never asked me to verify this. And I just hit 40,000 on Twitter and put a lot of work into this. So it's just ridiculous and has made me aware that I need to branch out and be on different platforms. So I am on TikTok and Instagram now. I will be doing regular content on these platforms. Hopefully we could get the Twitter page back though. If you guys don't mind, please tag Twitter support on Twitter and request a look into my account and get this sorted quicker. So this is another major reason why I'm creating a cryptocurrency membership website, so I can bring you guys alerts, signals, and major breaking news as soon as it happens and not have to worry about censorship with these social media platforms. So I'm going to be working on an app for this as well, and I will be doing a pre-sale for the crypto membership site coming up very soon. This is going to be restricted to the first few hundred signups, and I will give you guys a date and time for this pre-sale very soon, and this will give you 60% off the first year's access. Lots of major things I'm going to be working on. I'm hiring a lot of people, trying to bring you guys as much value as possible for this. So I will discuss this more in the upcoming week. Jumping into the crypto markets here. So we got everything looking pretty good in the green today. Polkadot's up 13%, touched $20. Pretty crazy there. Bitcoin testing 37,000, Ethereum breaking $1,600 for the first time ever. So like I've been saying for the past couple weeks, I do see Ethereum testing $2,000 and Bitcoin 50,000 in the upcoming couple weeks, very likely by mid-February if the buying pressure continues. So everything that's going on with Wall Street bets, Robinhood, GameStop stocks, and all the other stock market craze is bringing a lot of attention to cryptocurrencies and the benefit of cryptos versus the stock market. So I just added some playlists to my cryptocurrency channel. There's a cryptocurrency guides playlist here with tons of valuable information for free. Definitely recommend looking through this and send these videos to anyone you know getting into the crypto space. I also have a free 15 video course. You can find that in the video description as well. That's 100% free on the Spark Learn platform. Lots of valuable information. Other courses charge over $100 for very similar information, and mine is relevant. I created it in the summer. So stocks versus cryptos here, definitely a good video to check out. If you guys want to see how I invest as well, dollar cost averaging, how I invest for the long term. I invested like this since the peak of the last bull run, actually since mid 2017. And this has been very successful for me. So definitely check this out for better information and how to be successful in the crypto space. So all the craze with Wall Street bets right now is bringing a flood of new investors to the crypto space. Buying demand is at an all-time high in the crypto space. We also saw yesterday in that news that the search term buy crypto is at an all-time high in Google search. So lots of people looking to buy cryptocurrencies, lots of buying demand. All the crypto platforms are actually backed up on signups. So this means as these accounts get approved, that more buying pressure is going to be trickling into the markets over the next couple weeks. That's why I'm bullish on Ethereum hitting 2,000 and any other major breaking news that could come. As we're seeing crazy news every single day, anything really major can really push this up to new highs. So very bullish in general. We're also seeing these pump groups pump a lot of altcoins now. For instance, Dogecoin going up 800% in one day. This actually leveled out much higher than where it started as well, in the 3 cents range. And Dogecoin can be used as a currency, so it does have value there. And this coin pumps anytime it gets a major social media mention from like Elon Musk or Wall Street Bets or other people. So another altcoin I'm seeing being pumped, like we did discuss yesterday, is StormX, STMX token. So I actually bought a lot of StormX in the summer because it does have staking, and they just rebranded and everything. Good fundamentals and good high potential here. As you guys can see, it's been flat through the entire bear market, now picking up again finally. And we are testing this resistance around 1 cent. And then after that, our next major resistance is going to be around 2 cents. And then after that, it's going to be around 6 to 7 cents. So I'm pretty bullish on it moving upwards again, especially in this bull market. Definitely very high upside potential, but keep in mind you should never chase green candles. Always high risk buying at peaks while cryptos are up 100% or more, and jumping in on these pump groups. You're more likely to get burned than make good profit. So it's very important that you're ahead of the herd and not at the back of the herd. If you're at the back of the herd buying when these coins are already up a couple 100%, you're most likely going to lose a significant percent of your investment. But if you're ahead of the herd and you get in at the bottom before these major pumps start, then you can make huge potential and even flip and double or triple the coins that you're holding if you buy it or sell at the top and buy at the bottom. So Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. This allows you to sell the tops and buy the bottoms, which makes for a great investor in general. So if you guys do any shopping online, StormX actually allows you to earn crypto rewards back, paid in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even StormX tokens, and you could be earning staking rewards at the same time as having this membership. So I have the top tier membership for this. If you guys want to sign up through my referral link for this app, we can both get up to $1,000 bonus, depending on what membership you get. And basically that just requires you to hold a certain amount of StormX, and it does increase your cashback rewards while you're shopping, and it increases how many rewards you're getting from staking at the same time. So great rewards here. They are talking about adding another layer of rewards as well coming, so that could be another thing that pumps this up even more. So pretty bullish on this in the long term. I'm just staking. I might take some profits and try to flip if it does get to around the 2 cent range, but definitely sign up for this through the link in the video description. And if you guys do decide to stake this or get a membership in their app, we can both get a cash bonus on this as well. All right, guys, so we actually got a lot of bullish news in the crypto space over the past 24 hours, starting with Ruffer turns Bitcoin investment into $750 million profit in under 2 months just by investing in Bitcoin. We did not expect immediate fireworks, they said. So a lot of institutions are getting in very heavy in cryptocurrencies, and they're seeing massive returns very quickly. The investment company MicroStrategy has invested over $1 billion around $20,000 Bitcoin and less. And their stocks for their company actually has gone up over 100% as well because they've done so well with their Bitcoin investment. So a lot of institutions are looking into crypto and Bitcoin. They're waiting on the sidelines for the volatility to die down, and institutional demand will continue rising, which is going to be great throughout 2021. At the same time that we have retail demand peaking right now, as you guys saw with buy crypto search term at an all-time high. Things are just very bullish right now. So Visa reveals Bitcoin and crypto banking roadmap amid race to reach network of 70 million. Visa is getting into cryptos, being able to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies with them, as well as transact with cryptocurrencies. Everyone's getting into crypto transactions right now. It's a rush of demand. And we also have PayPal launching crypto merchant payments very soon as well. You can already buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies within your PayPal account, but keep in mind, they don't actually own the cryptocurrency right now, but I do think they will add that eventually. We have to keep in mind they're a huge company and payment processor, so they have to do things right, and they're going to take small steps leading into cryptocurrencies so they don't mess up. So other major news here, Jeff Bezos steps down as the Amazon CEO. Crypto curious Andy Jassy to become new Amazon CEO. Very interesting here. And if Andy is curious on cryptocurrencies, I definitely think they could be working in some sort of way to start accepting payments in cryptocurrencies or launching their own blockchain related products. There was word over a year ago of them buying some crypto related domains and patents as well. So pretty much every major company is getting into blockchain and crypto in one way or another. So lots of bullish news today. A couple more articles here. Corporate buy-ins could take Bitcoin price over $500,000. Just insane here. Also, Grayscale, a major institutional company for Bitcoin. They're actually getting into a lot of altcoins right now. So Grayscale may jumpstart the next phase of the Bitcoin bull run tomorrow. So very bullish here on a lockup that's ending on Wednesday today. So Bitcoin bulls target 40K as Friday's 1 billion Bitcoin options expiry approaches. So very bullish this week, depending on how things play out. I definitely think we're going to be testing that $40,000 Bitcoin and $2,000 Ethereum very soon here. As I have been saying in the first couple weeks of February, it's more likely than not. So as I've been saying, everything going on with the stock market and the GameStop stocks and everything is just revealing how rigged the system is with stock markets. And this is bringing tons of attention and a flood of new investors to cryptocurrency for the first time ever, specifically DeFi as well, which Ethereum is huge on. Also, Cardano is getting big into DeFi. Lots of major DeFi coins out there as well, which just means decentralized finance. And decentralized finance is going to be massive over the next couple of years. I actually took out a crypto-backed loan with BlockFi, and this allowed me to get $20,000 cash when I needed it, instead of having to sell the Ethereum I had. Basically, I used my Ethereum as collateral, and I was able to keep that Ethereum. Now when I pay off this loan, I get the same amount of Ethereum back, and it's worth so much more now. It actually saved me $100,000 not having to sell that Ethereum at the time when I needed that cash. So if you guys do want to take out crypto-backed loans, there is a link to sign up with BlockFi in the video description. You can also earn interest on your cryptocurrencies there as well, which is pretty good, over 5% on your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and stable coins. So I definitely recommend putting your crypto to work, earning some passive income. So next article here, late on crypto, institutions still at early stage of Bitcoin adoption. As I've been saying, institutions are barely getting started. We've only seen a few companies really get into Bitcoin very heavily. Lots of other institutions are waiting on the sidelines, waiting for volatility to die down so they don't buy at peaks. But you guys should be aware there's tons of companies waiting for their good buy-in opportunity, which might not come if we do see Bitcoin break past 40,000. Institutions might just start buying in, and that might be the buying pressure we need to push Bitcoin upwards of $50,000 for the first time as well. So MicroStrategy will pitch Bitcoin to 1,400 public companies. How will Bitcoin price react? MicroStrategy is meeting with public companies on Thursday to talk about Bitcoin and its merit as a store of value. So that's coming up tomorrow. So MicroStrategy is the company I mentioned that bought over $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, around $20,000 per Bitcoin, and they've seen massive profits. Their company is up over 100% for their stock. So institutions are getting in heavy, and this is only the beginning, and institutions buy up hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are not small buyers. At the same time, retail buyers coming in the masses. So as we recently saw with GameStop stocks surging, and then Dogecoin and XRP and a couple other cryptos, this really shows the power of retail demand and interest. At the same time as institutional interest, things are really going to blow up very quickly in my opinion. So I am bullish in general throughout 2021. I am doing dollar cost averaging and buying dips whenever they come. So we have to also keep in mind in the short term, anything can happen, especially since we have new people in office and new regulations coming into play. Any bad news can really crash the markets temporarily. And those are just opportunities for people that are new to crypto to buy in on the dips, which is what I do. So lots of crazy stuff going on in the crypto world right now. Definitely subscribe and hit the bell if you do want to be notified. I will keep you guys updated on the most important crypto news and on hidden gems and everything as well. So if you guys did find the video useful, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share the video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. Everything helps the channel grow, and I do appreciate it. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.